So basically, the only thing I can change about, because now I put the full throttle, it's this thing, yeah? Ah, okay. No, no.
Do it.
I will do it a bit later.
Oh man. Just I can hear him laughing. There you go.
And so there is no basically other trace. You just do the loops here.
Well, usually we could have gone down the other way, but since they've got all that stuff on there, I don't want to go.
Okay.
But that goes pretty far down.
But how do you go on the slope? Because there is a kind of quite. Does it stay stable?
Yeah, there's videos of me online, first person riding it. You can, yeah, you can watch those, and that's pretty stable.
Okay. Oh, well, that's cool. I just make last one and we.
Yeah, unfortunately they've got that closed off, but
Then just.
now you need to switch gears. Just do it, because you can still go slow, but at least you can feel what it feels like.
So
Just
side.
yeah, and do this. Yeah.
50 miles.
Now what happens is that this changes. It feels different, so just feel it. You'll see what I mean. It's more like not very go, and then all of a sudden it just goes. So it's very touchy, basically. But it's a lot of fun. Those bumps, they're so bad.
Okay, this is great fun.
You like those torque settings?
Yeah.
They've
Can
got.
you make a picture of me?
Yeah.
At least. Maybe if you could just.
Hey, are you having fun?
Yeah, great.
Oh, your socks are gonna be so covered. It's quite funny. Hey, go up this hill and then come back down it.
Huh?
Come back down this hill. Doesn't seem steep, but it's pretty steep for what it's worth. It's not terrible, but it's just the way it is. Look at that view.
Okay, here I can take a picture.
Yeah, go over there to the right, the left. I mean, not down the hill, but to the where you took pictures by that rock last time. Yeah, you're gonna have a lot of fun picking those out. Let me tell you. I can guarantee you're gonna end up throwing those socks away. Cause I've thrown many pairs away myself.
So where should I?
Off to the left where you took pictures of the rock the Monday. Yeah. No, keep going. There you go. Oh, yeah.
So from that side.
Yeah. What do you think about that view?
View does not impose any work here. You have to work with the closed curtains, you know.
Look at the sweat. Oh yeah.
Yes.
I told you you'd be sweating.
It's not a sweat of fear. It's a sweat of joy. I can still
Any final words?
grab. Sorry.
Any final words?
Final words. I should get this for my kids, you know.
Yeah. You get some small ones.
Yeah.
Power wheels.
I'll give a thought about it.
Yeah.
Is this the way?
Either way. Oh yeah. Well, that was fun.